Welcome to Crazy Problems to Easy Solutions. This is Satyapriya, MPhil in Mathematics, and today's topic is function. Now, the function definition. A relation between two non-empty sets x and y is called function from x to y if for each x belongs to capital X and there exists one and only y belongs to capital Y, so such that x comma y is belongs to f, that is means f equal to x comma y for all x belongs to capital X and y belongs to capital Y. A function f x to y is written as f of x to y, and a function is also called a mapping and transmission. So now a relation we are defined in f, and we are doing the relation in two non-empty sets x and y. So if it is function means for all the values of x we are taking in the capital set of x, and then one and only we are taking for y value, so that is in we are taking from capital Y, such that we have to define x comma y is belongs to capital, sorry, x comma y is belongs to f. So that is what means f equal to, if x comma y belongs to f means then f we have to define in the function f equal to x comma y, in that x for all x we are taking in the capital X and y is taking from capital Y. A function f from x to y is written as f of x to y, and then this is also called for the mapping and transformation. Properties of functions. The set x is called the domain of the function and the set y is called the codomain of the function. So x is a domain and y is a codomain. If f of a equal to b, then b is called the image of a under f and a is called the pre-image of a. So if the function of a equal to b, the value, then b is called what? So image. Then we have to say image of a under f, then a is called the pre-image. So a we have to define in the pre-image of b, and then b we have to define in the image under f. The set of all images of the elements of x f is called the range of f. the, then f of x to y is a function if and only if every element in the domain of f has an image. So if a domain have an every element, there is an image of the element f, then the image is in unique. So image is a unique of the function. How to check if the given relation is a function using the arrow diagram. So this represent function each put corresponding a single output. That means if x we are taking the here two sets. The sets in the elements are a b c is a one set and p q r is a another set. So in that we are mapping from a to p and b to q and c to r. So this is called the input for the single output. So every function, every element is mapping to the other element of the other sets. Then second diagram, the represent a function, each input corresponds to a single. That means 1 2 3 is a one set, m p n is another set. So we have to map the function 1 to m and 2 to n, 3 to n also. So we can say that if m 2 and 3 is we can able to map in the same element, but we can't we cannot able to map for the n in two elements in the domain function. So that this is a function. Let x equal to 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Determine whether the relation r equal to x equal to f of x and x belongs to capital X, f of x equal to x square plus 1 is a function from x to n. So given that f of x equal to x square plus 1, so x we are taking from capital X, so x is natural number. So if x equal to 3 natural number, that means is a given 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. So if we are taking x equal to 3 means we have to apply in f f of x equal to 3 square plus 1. The answer is a 3 square value is a 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Then next if x equal to 4 means f of 4, 4 squared plus 1 equal to 16 plus 1, the answer is 17. F of 4 is a 17. Then if x equal to 6, f of 6 equal to 6 square plus 1 equal to 36 plus 1 equal to 37. Obviously if you can apply for the x equal to 8, you are getting the answer is 65. Then we have to write in the relation. So we have to write in the x value and y value in the ordered pair of sets. 3 comma 10, 4 comma 17, 6 comma 37, 8 comma 65. So for each of x values of x, we get different values of f of x. So it's we can able to map the function for the each elements to the function of other elements. So we can able to say for this is the function, hence it is a function. Then let f of x equal to 2x plus 5. If x is not equal to 0, then find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. So first we have to find in the, so first write for the f of x. F of x is a 2x plus 5. Then f of x plus 2. F of x plus 2 is a 2 into x plus 2 plus 5. We have to multiply 2 into x, 2x plus 2 2s are 4 plus 5. Then 2x plus 5. This is equation number 1. And then we have to find in the f of 2. So in that x we have to apply for the instant of 2. Then 2 into 2 plus 5. The answer is 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Next from 1 and 1 minus 2, then 2x plus 9 minus 9, we have to cancel 9 value and remaining we are getting for 2x only. Then apply the given condition, f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x equal to 2x divided by x. X get cancelled and remaining answer is 2. The next problem, a function f is defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 2x. Find x such that f of x square and f of x whole square. So in that function we are f of x square equal to f of x whole square. So given that f of x equal to 3 minus 2x. F of x square means in that where it is x is there, we have to write in the x square value. This is equation number 1. Then f of x whole square. Then I have to write f of x value is a 3 minus 2x whole square. Apply the a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. We applied 3 square minus 2 into 3 into 2x plus 2x whole square. So 3 square answer is 9. 9 minus and the 2 into 3 6. 3 in 6 into 2 12. 12x plus 4x square. So here equation 1 equal to equation 2. This is for the given condition. Apply the given conditions here. So 3 minus 2x square equal to 9 minus 12x plus 4x square. So we have to write in the all values in left hand side, and then you have to change the signs also. Then we have to write now 4x square plus 2x square minus 12x plus 9 minus 3. If we have to equal to 0, then 4x square plus 2x square, x square equal, so we have to add in the numbers. Then 6x square minus 12x plus 6 equal to 0. We have to, this is in this equation 6 is a multiples number. We have to divide the 6. Then x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Then x equal to x minus 1 equal to 0. Then x equal to 1. So 1 comma 1. So we find the values of x is a 1. Thank you for watching in Crazy Problems to Easy Solutions. Keep on watching. Bye.